Shit, my glasses. You looking at her? Get your big old ski down. I just washed that.
I'd do it again with that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't hurt yourself. No. No.
No mean yes.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Quit.
See, look.
Get it off.
Niggers! Niggers!
Oh, shit.
Niggers!
Dude, stop, like, molesting my back feet, please. Do you know what happened? No, I'm just kidding. I took it at Illinois. Just kidding.
Let me see. Alright, stop.
What is wrong with you, Grumpy? Are you angry?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Yeah.
Because I say nigger. You said nigger. Did you hear it? He said nigger.
Oh, beat down. Dang, you get right to it, don't you?
I wish y'all did. Nigger.
Hey, my family never had slaves.
That was rude. That was fucking rude.
We were immigrants.
Slaves. She said something about slaves.
Well, you said this what you did to my people.
What did Jesus say?